Hey, how's everyone doing? My name's Mohammed, and today we're crashing the recovery team.
Hi, we're here with Stratos Recovery. We're producing parachutes and testing parachutes, all in the aim of recovering the capsule on top of Stratos 4.
The design of a parachute, the first step to do is to get some templates to cut the fabric of the parachute pieces in the correct size. So they should have the correct dimensions. And the easy way to do this is by using wood, because it's quite stiff and relatively cheap.
After we've cut out all the pieces for the parachute, we take some rope, basically, and some glue, and then we fold over the edges of the parachute to strengthen it, because this is where we'll end up sewing the pieces together. So we want to make sure that's strong and not just on the fabric so it rips. And we use old, cheap irons to melt the glue and keeps the fabric nice and nice line on it. And after that we sew everything together.
After gluing the fabric to the bands, we can start sewing. And by using an industrial machine like this one, we can ensure that the connections are very strong and able to carry the parachute during descent.
This has been Stratos Recovery. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next summer.
Back.
It's opening.
That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's very good.